What if I tell you, you can create agreements for free in minutes using AI? Most partnerships fall apart because of paperwork. Weeks spent on endless drafts, confusing words, and back and forth messages, while others close their deals and get ahead. But there's a better way. Go to Legitt AI, just tell LANA, our AI assistant, draft a partnership agreement. LANA generates a complete draft with variables ready to be filled. Enter your information into these variables to customize the agreement exactly the way you need. Once your details are added, save the document, sign it, and send it to your partners. They can sign securely, with a full audit trail. Finally, export the agreement as a PDF or Word file, and keep it ready for future use. Don't let paperwork slow you down. Create your first partnership agreement with Legitt AI, free and ready in minutes.